Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Okta Verify how to get secret key. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Okta Verify app still does not show the secret key directly after setup because it's designed to add accounts via scanning a QR code for security reasons. To get the secret key for Okta Verify app, when you first set up Okta Verify, your organization's Okta portal will show you a QR code. On that setup page, look for a link or button labeled "Can see a QR code" or "Enter code manually," and by clicking this will reveal the secret key, a string of letters and numbers you can enter manually into Okta Verify or another TOTP app. This is the secret key to manually configure Okta Verify if you can scan the QR code. After setup, Okta Verify doesn't allow viewing or exporting the secret key for security. If you lost the QR code or secret key, you usually need to reset MFA via your IT or Okta admin. Secret keys are provided only during initial MFA enroll. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.